welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I keep forgetting to look here. So today's video is going to be about this hair right here. I'm gonna give you all the details and everything about the hair. But before we get into all of that, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on social media. I'll probably list my social media on the screen right here for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this hair is Yvonne Kinky Curly Hair. I've actually bought this hair several times over the course of probably 4 years. The first time I actually bought this hair, my first semester at Bowie State. So I'll probably insert a picture probably over here of the hair that I had back in 2015 at Bowie. And then I bought it several times after that because I just fell in love with the kinky curly hair. I love their kinky curly hair. It's the closest curly hair I found to my natural hair. My natural hair is actually 4C hair, and this kinky curly hair I would say is maybe like a 4A, 4B type hair. I've learned how to blend my 4C hair with this hair, and if you guys want to see how I do that, I can make a video for you guys. But I have in a 14-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch bundles, and I don't have a closure. This is leave out right here. This is my actual hair that I've blended in with it. I'll actually insert a clip of the hair when I washed it. So this is the hair, the kinky curly hair from Yvonne. I washed and conditioned it and it came out like this. Look at the curls, so beautiful. So I got a 14, 16, and 18-inch kinky curly hair. I use Pantene shampoo and conditioner to wash the hair. So I'll come back once I have the hair installed. So after I washed the hair, the curls weren't as tight as they were, which I love because it looks more natural when they're very much so loose, and after you wash it, the hair just looks so freaking beautiful. So when I washed the hair, I didn't get shedding at all. It was probably a couple of strings, which I don't really consider shedding. So when I had the hair actually installed, I had someone sew my hair actually in. The person cut the wefts actually. So just be mindful of, if you get this hair sewed in and you do cut the wefts, it will shed a lot. It will shed a lot if you do cut the wefts. So I wouldn't recommend cutting the wefts. I would recommend probably doing the flip over method, which prevents you from having to cut the hair or anything like that. The difference from when I first bought the hair years ago to now, I can kind of say that the fullness of the hair is not as much as I remember. I remember it being like really, really full. Right now I have in about pretty much almost all of the 3 bundles, and I remember back then years ago when it would probably only take me about 2 bundles to fill up my whole head. But me, I love big freaking hair. I love big hair. So when it was installed and it wasn't as big as I remembered back then, I was kind of like, what? They skipping on the hair a little bit or something. I don't know what it is. But my hair, I will say my hair is a tad bit damp because I did apply some water to it and some curling enhancing cream from Shea Moisture by Shea Moisture. So it's about, I would say 80-85% dry. It's the middle part is a little bit damp, but hopefully after it finished drying fully, it will get bigger because, like I said, I'm obsessed with big hair. So the products that I use in the hair to get it to this curl pattern right here, lovely, right? Just lovely. I use a water bottle that just had water in it, and then I use the curling enhancing smoothie by Shea Moisture. And then after I did that, I just put the curly enhancing cream a little bit inside of the water bottle, shook it up, and then sprayed my hair. Then after that, I just finger combed through the hair, and that's when I noticed that it was shedding a lot. And then after that, I put some mousse in my hair. No, it wasn't mousse. Let me go get the product. So it wasn't mousse, it was this foam right here. I don't know if you guys can see it really because of the bright light, but I'll have it linked in the description box. After I like wet my hair, got it really damp and everything, I put some of this in my hand and I just scrunched my hair up like this after I put the foam in, and then I just scrunched my hair like this, and then I just let it air dry. Then I got the curls to look like this. I'm just so in love with this hair. Like, I love big hair. I wish I would have actually made a wig. I wish I would have actually made a wig out of it so I could just take it off and just sleep and then put it back on. Because I don't know how long this gonna last with me having to actually always fix my leave out. But we gonna make it work. We gonna make it work, okay? I guess that's really it. Would I recommend you getting this hair? Absolutely, sis. Try it out. I love it, I love it, I love it. Especially if you're a lover of big hair. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.